welcome back to my channel. I'm Camille and I'm back again with another hair tutorial. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe down below and join the family, and if you're not new, extra kisses to my returning subscribers. Now, I cannot get enough of these butterfly locks. Like, they are extremely gorgeous, and on top of being gorgeous, they're super lightweight. Like, out of all the locks that I've done, these would definitely stand out for being very lightweight. Like, I truly feel like nothing is on my head. Like, it's just my own hair, which we all know it's mine. But if you want to see how I got these beautiful locks done, stick around, keep watching the video. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, so you can feel free to check it out as well. Now, let's get into what you came here for.
This is the hair that we'll be working with today, guys, and I got it from a company on Amazon called GetGal. They sent it to me for review, and that's the bag that it comes in. We got a crochet needle, some jewelry, and we got some clips as well. Right, once you take the hair out of the pack, I got like 6 packs of hair in that bag, 6 packs of this hair in that bag that I showed you earlier, and each pack of this has 12 locks in it. So these are what the locks look like, and guys, these locks, as I mentioned earlier, I can't get enough of how lightweight they are, and this is what they look like. I think they're constructed very well. We're gonna go ahead to prep our hair before, or I'm gonna go ahead to prep my hair before, and I'm pretty much just doing like, so I'm cornering the back of my hair, but I'm putting some plaits in the front so that it will have a more realistic look. Also going in with some edge control to put around the perimeter of the parting so that it looks more sleek. So starting off with the plait, as I mentioned, we're doing some plaits in the front and then we're doing cornrows in the back. But if you notice, while I'm going along, I'm using my finger to kind of pull the front part of my hair or my edges, kind of pull it forward so that it's not too tight when I eventually put the plait into the cornrow. And I'm sorry I didn't show you guys, but I used a crochet needle to kind of tuck my hair away. So I didn't sew it up this time. I used a needle to kind of pull it through each corner and until it's all gone, or until it's all tucked away. I'm using some castor oil. You all know this is my favorite product to use in my hair. So I'm just using some castor oil on my scalp because you do want your hair to be protected nonetheless. This is what the hair looks like individually once you have it up close and personal, you know. And you know what the thing about this hair is, that it wasn't hard to pull down. Like, I've used previous locks before and it was so hard to pull down. This one was really easy. I think it was a type of material or whatever they used to make the hair that made it so easy. What you want to do too, guys, you don't want to push your crochet needle crossways. You want to put it down like long ways, or how you see me doing it there. You don't want to put it across because your crochet will not sit right and it will not fall properly on top of each other. So you want to kind of put the needle downward. I've used 3 packs of hair so far, guys, and this is what it's looking like. I mean, once you get to the top, you do want to put it more closer. You're not going to put them like too far apart when you get to the top. So I have 3 packs of hair remaining. Now for the installation process. So what you want to do is push the crochet needle through your hair, right? There will be an opening for the lock, or in the lock, you'll hook that onto the crochet needle, pull that part through your hair. You don't want to pull too much of the hair itself, the lock, through your hair. You just need to pull the opening through. Once you have the opening through, you could take off your crochet needle and then you put the end part, pull the end part of the lock through it, and then eventually pull the whole lock through until it's all the way done. I will be showing you a few more times so you could just continue watching the video if you're more of a visual learner. Just as I mentioned before, guys, whatever part of your hair you're at, whether at the back, at the front, on the left, or on the right side, you always want to make sure that your needle is pointing down. This will ensure that the hair lays flatter. This is how we start off the hair, by pulling it down. And as I was mentioning to you, that this hair was so easy to pull down. So you want to make sure that you pull the hair down so you do have that opening to work with. Once you're at the top where the plait or the cornrow is obvious, I would recommend just filling it in with some locks just to kind of cover it up. Now I'm just going in with some edge control to lay my edges, because you know we got to give the hairstyle that extra pop.
This hair was sent to me for review, and as I mentioned, all the information on it will be in the description box. I'm trying my best. Whenever I get a product or a hair to review, I will give you my honest opinion on it. And truly guys, this hair is a must-have. The hair, as I say, I've done butterfly hair before, I've done tutorials before, but sometimes each hair that you do should make an impact or should stand out. The fact that this hair is so light, this is what is making this hair a winner for me, honestly. So this hair is a must-have. Click the link and get yours.
This is the final look, you know guys. Yeah, this is it. I'm actually going to be showing you some styles in just a few that you can get with this hair. This is number one, first of all, so you can just have a simple center part, you can have a side part, you could pull it up on the top if you want, but just keep watching the video, you'll see the styles in just a bit.
That is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below to let me know what you think about this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have not yet subscribed, like, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.